Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Drawing Tutorials in Kids series. Today I am going to draw Pikachu, who is everyone's favorite. So get ready with your paper, pencil, eraser and some coloring materials. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Here I am using black sketch pen or marker to make it more visible to you. But you use pencil so that if you got any mistake, you can erase it and then draw it again. Thank you. Let's watch the full video now.
All I'm saying